All right, Colin. So I just want to understand a little bit about your workplace dispute today. I'm going to take some notes, so you'll see me writing. That's just to help us formulate anything in the future in respect of your case. Do you understand that?
Yeah, Larry, and look, I just want to say thank you because I've been told that you know the information and you're here to help, so thanks for your time.
Well, that's okay. I'm certainly prepared to help. Now, as I understand it, you resigned your position. Is that right?
Yeah, mate. So I ended up resigning, but I don't know. I've got second thoughts about it. I just don't know if it was the right decision.
Well, tell me how your resignation came about.
Well, there's been a bit of changes in the workplace lately, and I know that they were implementing a new structure of how they wanted to go forward. And mate, I guess it's a good thing for them. But mate, they basically pulled me aside, and in no certain way, they pretty much told me to resign. That the structure probably wouldn't hold my position in place.
Are you saying your employer told you to resign?
Yeah.
And that's why you resigned?
That's exactly right. But now I kind of think it wasn't the right idea because, mate, I love that job. I've been there for a long time and I've made some good friends. And
how long have you been there?
Mate, 6 years I've been with them.
And you're employed there, you're an employee, is that right?
That's right, yeah, full time, yep.
And how long ago did this occur?
Mate, it was just recently. I resigned probably about 10 days ago.
Well, I need to know exactly, Colin, because this will have a bearing on whether or not you're able to make a claim in what we call the Fair Work Commission.
Okay. Look, 11 days, exactly 11 days it's been.
All right. Now, I ask you that question because this part of our law is known as unfair dismissal. This is a subset called constructive dismissal. So at law, what occurs is this: in Australia, you're protected from unfair dismissal where A, the employer takes action of his own accord that is unfair or unjust or unreasonable in respect of your work, or B, where you take action because the workplace situation is so untenable. So that is in a case like this where you've been asked to resign or encouraged to resign, that constitutes what we call constructive dismissal. Do you see?
Yeah, no, I understand that.
All right, so the critical features around constructive dismissal is that you made a decision that you wouldn't have otherwise taken but for the conduct of the employer or others in the workplace. So are you saying to me the reason you resigned was because the employer told you to?
Yeah, mate, yeah, exactly. I wouldn't even thought about it. I thought everything was good.
And how long have you been in this workplace?
Yeah, mate, it's been 6 years.
And what about your performance history? Have you got any performance or conduct issues in the workplace in the past?
No, mate. They poached me to come there and work for them. I had a good job before that. They were keen to bring me across, so I've had no issues.
All right, Colin. Well, it's my view then that you do have a claim that we could raise in the Fair Work Commission under a piece of legislation called the Fair Work Act, and that would be for constructive dismissal. Just give me a few moments and we'll see if we get some documents together.
Okay, Larry, thanks, mate.